Welcome to Mid City School, Grade 7, Lecture number 9, Chapter 7, Living World and its Surroundings. In this chapter, Living World and its Surrounding, our topic is weather, climate, factor affecting the temperature, and factor that affect rainfall. Our first topic is weather. Now, what is weather? Weather is a state of the atmosphere with respect to wind, temperature, cloudiness, moisture, and pressure. Or in other words, weather is the state of the atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm and stormy, clear or cloudy. Weather refers to day-to-day temperature and activity, whereas climate is the term for the averaging of atmosphere condition over longer period of time. Now, what is climate? Weather is not the same everywhere. It may be hot and sunny in one part of the world, but the freezing and snowing in other. Climate is the average weather. Climate is the average weather in a place over many years. While the weather can change in just a few hours or few minutes, climate take 100,000 even millions of years to change. Factors that affect temperature: latitude, elevation, and ocean current are three natural factors that affect temperature at a particular location. First of all, latitude. It is one most important factor that affects the climate of a particular place or specific place. When the latitude increases, the distance from the sun also increases. Or latitude is the distance of a place from north or south of the equator. When the latitude increases, the distance from the sun is also increased. So the temperature gradually decreases, means temperature drop. The equator lies very near from the sun, so directly rays fall over there, and it is very hot throughout the year. But poles lie far from the sun, so it is cold. Now, elevation. Elevation is the height of a place above the level of sea. When elevation increases, air becomes less dense. Less dense means it contains fewer gas molecules and they are spread further apart. Now we move toward our ocean current. The surface temperature of water affects the temperature of air above it. There is a continuous flow of current in the ocean. Some ocean currents are warm, while some are cold, and vice versa. Warm water current make its surrounding air hot, and cold water current make its surrounding cold. Latitude is one of the most important factors that affect the temperature. When the latitude increases, The distance from the sun also increase, so the temperature gradually decrease. The equator lies very near from the sun, so the direct raw falls over there and it is very hot. But poles lie far from the sun, so it is cold. Elevation is the height of a place above the sea level. When the elevation increase or rise, air become less dense. When the less dense air means it contains fewer gases molecules and they are spread further apart. Less dense air can't hold as much heat as contained by dense air. So when elevation increase, temperature decrease. Temperature at the top of the mountain is much lower than the temperature at sea level. Now ocean current. Surface temperature of water affect the temperature of air above it. There is continuous flow of current in the ocean. Some current are warm or hot and some are cold. Hot current make its surrounding water hot and cold current make its surrounding cold. Therefore, the part of the land which is close to the warm water current has warm climate. On the other, which land areas near cold water current has cold climate. Factors that affect rainfall. The two natural factors that affect rainfall of the place are wind and presence of mountain ranges. How wind affects the rainfall? Wind has a great influence on the climate of the region in their path. Different prevailing winds carry different amount of moisture. The amount of moisture affects the amount of rainfall in the place. Now mountain ranges. Mountain range act as a barrier to wind. It causes air to rise toward its slope. As the air rises up, it cools down or slows down, so the moisture in the rising air falls on the earth's surface. As a result, wind wide side of a mountain or the side face toward moist wind receive a great rainfall. The region of the windward side of the mountain has wet climate. On the other hand, leeward side of a mountain receive little rainfall. Thanks for watching my video.